Have you ever thought about how the gym can transform not just your body, but also your mind and spirit? Today, let's dive into the benefits of going to the gym every day. But before we jump into the story, let's clarify some vocabulary that might be a bit tricky. First, let's talk about endorphins. These are chemicals released in your brain that help reduce pain and improve your mood. Think of them as your body's natural happiness boosters. Then there's metabolism, which refers to the process your body uses to convert food into energy. A faster metabolism means you burn calories more efficiently. And don't forget cardiovascular, which relates to your heart and blood vessels. Keeping your cardiovascular system healthy is crucial for overall wellness. Now that we've got that covered, let's get into the story. Imagine waking up every morning, the sun peeking through your curtains, and instead of hitting the snooze button, you leap out of bed, ready to conquer the day. You grab your gym bag, filled with your favorite workout gear, and head to the gym. The moment you step inside, you're greeted by the familiar sounds of weights clanking and upbeat music pulsing through the air. You start your workout with a warm-up, and as you move, you can feel your body coming alive. Each stretch, each lift, each drop of sweat is a testament to your commitment to yourself. You push through the initial discomfort, and soon, you're in the zone. The endorphins kick in, and suddenly, that treadmill doesn't feel like a torture device. It feels like a gateway to something greater. You're not just running, you're running toward your goals, both physical and mental. As the weeks go by, you notice changes. Your clothes fit better, your energy levels soar, and you feel more confident. You're not just lifting weights, you're lifting your spirits. Every rep is a reminder that you're capable of more than you ever thought possible. You find yourself smiling more, not just at the gym, but in your everyday life. That's the magic of exercise. It seeps into every aspect of your being. But it's not just about the physical transformation. Going to the gym every day creates a routine that fosters discipline. You learn to prioritize your health, making better choices in your diet and lifestyle. You start to understand the importance of self-care and how it affects your mental health. You begin to see the gym as a sanctuary, a place where you can escape the chaos of life and focus solely on yourself. And let's not forget the community aspect. You meet fellow gym-goers who share your passion for fitness. You cheer each other on, swap tips, and inspire one another. Those friendships can become some of the most rewarding connections in your life. Now let's take a moment to reflect. Have you ever considered how going to the gym could change your life? What's holding you back from making that commitment? Is it fear, time, or maybe a lack of motivation? Whatever it is, remember that every journey begins with a single step. So, what's your next move? Are you ready to take that leap and prioritize your health? I challenge you to commit to just 1 week of daily workouts. See how you feel at the end of it. I promise, you'll be amazed at the difference it can make. If you found this story engaging and informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Let's spread the word about the incredible benefits of going to the gym every day. Together, we can motivate each other to lead healthier, happier lives. Remember, every little step counts, and your journey starts now.